everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's Marissa. Sorry that I look like a mess, but I'm currently packing for my cruise. Sorry if my hands look really dark compared to my face. I'm currently self-tanning right now. I have it on and I have to wait till like 8 o'clock to rinse it off. So that's what we're doing. So I have my outfits kind of picked out. I was just going to show you guys like how I pack and how I decide like what to bring. So we're going on a cruise to the Caribbean. So we're going to the Bahamas, Tortola, and St. Thomas. So a lot of summery pieces. So what I like to do is kind of grab all of the items that I want to wear or I know that I will wear, and like all the shorts and stuff, lay them out and kind of like piece them all together, which is kind of what I did. And then whatever I don't want, I like put off to the side. So over here is like things that I thought I was gonna bring, but then I'm like, ugh, I don't need them. So I kind of have dresses here. I just picked two just for like at night for dinner. And then I have two pairs of jeans, one here and two here because it gets cold at night. So I figured I would bring a few like tank tops that are nicer to like wear to dinner. So like I have this one, plain black, and then just to like hang out in, I have my white Malibu shirt. So I think I'm gonna do those. So then I have like, well, let me see. There's like 3 pairs of shorts here. 5, 6, 7 shorts. I don't know if I need all of them. I mean, I'm going away for 7 days, so maybe, but I haven't decided if I want to bring these yet. These are from Princess Polly, but these are just like black and white shorts that I can literally pair with anything. So I'm gonna bring them, but I just can't decide if I want these or these to like put over my bathing suit. So that's kind of like I'm iffy about. And then I just have like 2 tank tops that I know that I can just like throw over my bathing suit and be good to go. And same over here, I have 2 like nicer tank tops for dinner, which I'm definitely going to bring. And then like over here, so these are like shorts that I wear every day. You guys know I wore these every day of summer. They're my favorite. They're from Forever 21, super high-waisted. And I have a ton of tank tops here, kind of just, I think I'm gonna bring all of them. These are kind of just to hang around in or go somewhere, maybe throw a bathing suit on top. I'm not sure, but a lot of these are from Forever 21 and like Urban Outfitters. So I have like a bunch of colors, so I think I'm just gonna bring like all of these because they're good to pair with jeans or whatever, just so I have extra. And another, like, I kind of wanted to bring like 2 shorts that kind of can be dressed up or down. So this is more of my dressier, fancier kind of shorts. I believe these are from Forever 21, and they're just like the gingham pattern. And then I think I'm gonna pair it with this one shoulder Shein shirt. I'm gonna try to dry it though, so that way it's more tight, because it is a little loose and then it falls down, and then we have nip slips and we don't want that. If not, I have this shirt from Hollister I just picked up. It still has like the tag on it, and it's just a bodysuit, kind of like a thinner, thick strap. It's really comfortable. I love these because they have like a cami inside, so it's like double lined, so it's not see-through. It's awesome. Anyways, so that's kind of what I'm bringing. I'm still trying to figure out what to get rid of and what to put in place, or if I should pack less. I'm gonna try to fit it all in a suitcase, and then if I don't have room, I obviously will take things out. And then I'm gonna pack like shoes, socks, bras and underwear and stuff like that. But for shoes, we should probably figure that out. Look at this cool shirt I found thrifting. It says you versus them. Yep. Okay, so I want to mention, look at how cute these Uggs are. They're pink. I'm not gonna bring those, but yes, yeah. So I think though, this is all like Christmas gifts that I got because we celebrated early. So it's from like my boyfriend, his family, my family, and stuff like that. I might do like a what I got for Christmas, but I don't know. Probably not, honestly. But anyways, I got some new NMDs for my boyfriend, so I think I'm gonna bring these new pair. So that way I have sneakers to like work out in. Actually, maybe like, no, we're not gonna like take a hike. We're on a freaking cruise. Maybe sneakers to, you know, just have. So I'm gonna bring my Nike Air Force Ones because I always wear them for sure. I'm definitely gonna bring my slides because I can't live without these. And then I'm just gonna bring some flip-flops. So I'm gonna bring some Havaianas and some Tory Burch sandals. So I'm going through and trying to find some bathing suits. I don't know if I want to wear this top. I got this off Zaful, but it kind of fits weird. I don't know. Like, looking in the mirror, it kind of shows like under boob, and I don't like that. Actually, it's not bad. I'll bring it maybe for photo ops, but yeah. Kind of have like a whole assortment here going, and yeah. So my suitcase is all packed, as you saw in the clip, and I left some space for like my makeup and hair stuff, which is what we're gonna pack next. So I went to Sephora and Ulta and picked up a few things that I wanted to try out like on the cruise. Just want to show you guys real quick. From Ulta, I picked up the Hangover RX Primer by Too Faced. I love this stuff so much. I just thought this would be really good to have on the cruise because it's super hydrating, and I really just want nice, fresh, hydrated, glowy skin on the cruise. So I just picked up a travel size so it doesn't take up too much room in my suitcase. Picked up a travel size of my everyday cleanser. You guys know I love this stuff. This is the Mara Badescu Enzyme Cleansing Gel. So picked up a little version so I don't have to bring my big bottle again to save room, and also to have like less weight on my luggage. And then picked up a Essence 20 Satin Love. If you're an OG, you know that I use this so many times on my channel doing makeup. It's the perfect blush and it has such a great finish, but I actually broke mine, like the top broke off, so, and it's at my apartment, so I got another one because this was like my everyday go-to blush. And from Sephora, for like, I got like my points, you know, I got this cute little NARS like liquid lipstick. So it was obviously free, but I thought it would be super cute for the cruise. One, I love the packaging. So sleek, like look at that. And then it's just like, I just got the bottle dirty, but it's like this nice red. And I thought this would be perfect, like glowy skin and a red lip, yes. And then the two products I picked up, I'm so excited to try out. So first, it's the Way Wave Spray, and so pretty. It smells bomb. Like, it smells like a perfume. I kind of just want to like have this in a perfume and spray it all over me. A while ago, I was watching Desi Perkins. This is an old video of her, and she used this, and it's the Skin Feels Good Octanogate. I don't know how to pronounce that. Sunscreen Broad Spectrum SPF 23 Hydrating Skin Tint Healthy Glow by Lancome. Just cute packaging, honestly. And I think Tati recommended this too. I should have got the darker shade. I wanted this for every day, so I picked up Soft Beige 025W. It kind of just like blends in with your skin. I felt like all of the shades kind of, even though they have like their own little tint to it, once you blend it in, it kind of like forms to your skin color already. But since I'm going to be tanning, I don't think this will match. I actually thought about getting a new camera for this cruise before like I go on it, but then I'm like, that's just so unnecessary. Why is my camera being so good right now and like blurring the background out? It never does that. You just saw me cleaning my makeup brushes. I just finished, so I always like to clean my makeup brushes before I go away, and they really needed like good cleaning because I hadn't cleaned them in so long. But I love cleaning my makeup brushes right like the day before I go away and just let them dry, because clean brushes is a must, especially for good skin. But I feel like just having clean brushes like on a vacation is just like I don't know. Well, that's what I like to do, and then I just packed up all my skincare and my makeup, and it's all in my suitcase. And then I left clothes out for what I'm going to wear tomorrow to the airport. And yeah, so that's kind of like how I packed. You guys kind of got to come along and get ready for my cruise. So yeah, and so I won't be posting this whole week from this Saturday to, I don't even know. I come home the 29th, or from Saturday to Sunday, so a whole week I will not be posting. But right as I get home, I'm going to be editing on the trip, because me and my sister are going to be vlogging like the whole trip, and we'll probably have like part 1 and then part 2, because it probably will be a long vlog. So yeah, and then I'm going to do like videos in between, and hopefully I'll have like kind of, I don't think we got like the internet package, so I don't think I can upload, but that kind of sucks. But it's okay, I'll have like many videos to upload after the trip, so it'll be really fun. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed this little pack with me, get ready to travel video. If you like these, definitely give them a thumbs up, and I'll do them every time I travel or go to a new place or whatever the case may be. And yeah, so give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and join our fam. It would mean so much to me. And comment down below any video suggestions, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!